Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil once again, and today we're going to discuss the weekly time frame on Alibaba stock. So let's see why market can move this week and how we can plan on here. Last week we have done discussed a market can take reversal from here this range because it was a completely on selling pressure after making four red candle on weekly time frame. Market need to pause somewhere. In previous time, we also see example in our previous video. It was complete on the selling pressure, four candle after making sell red candle, market make one green candle. Even here another example, one two three candle, market make another green candle here. So if I show you another example here, even from here, one two three, after three candle continuously, market make one green candle here. So after seeing all this kind of example on previous time, we were expecting that market can make this kind of market can make a green candle here. We were expecting either market will going to make a confusing candle, or either he will going to make a reversal candle. This kind of candle we were expecting, but market surprisingly make a very good strong bullish candle on this range. So no doubt, many people are thinking that after seeing this kind of a bullish candle, the market will continuously go on the high side, and we will buy the market and we will get the profit. But to be honest, the market did not work. Price do not work like that, because you need to consider one thing. It was completely on the selling pressure, right? There's the first time market tried to go on the higher side. So generally, if I show the example here, it was continuously selling pressure. There's a first pullback. Always remember, continuously selling pressure, there's a first pullback. Always give you the opportunity for the selling, because the moment he try to recover from the bottom zone, each and every swing a seller are waiting to short the market. The market, whenever the market tries to go on the high side, he will face the resistance. Definitely, he will going to face the resistance. The moment he hit the resistance, seller will sell again, and market will fall down again. After reaching this level, this is going to be a decided range. Either if buyer is strong, he will continuously go on the higher side. If buyer are not interested, if seller is still on the market, market will price will be on the downside, lower low again here. So right now market are doing this kind of things here. So you need to be wait. If you are buyer, you need to be wait, because if I draw the line here, it was completely selling. There's the first pullback, then seller sell again, then this is the support. After reaching the support, market try to recover here. So right now he completely 50% range. He is sustaining on 50%, but one negative sign that he is closing below $100. $100 nothing but very important psychological level as a round level. Always remember that round level always act as a support and resistance in the market. So round level going to be support as resistance for the market right now. So market has closing below $100. So this is the one could be a negative sign. But you need to consider, on I think Friday will going to be earning report. Alibaba going to announce their earning report. If they are going to meet their earning report, no doubt we are going to see this kind of bullish candle. We might see this kind of bullish candle on the upside if they're going to meet their earning report. If unfortunately they're going to, if they are not able to meet their earning report, definitely we could see another downfall again. So the price will become confirmed for us. Then it was a counter selling price first pullback, and it is come fall down again. If earning report are going to be very important role play in the market in this week, maybe if they are not going to meet, you could see another downfall again. So in future we would see what market is going to do. This is, I think it's going to be on Thursday, on Friday, in between 2 days. I need to check it again. So what we can plan here, market maybe this week going to be a volatile here rather than trending, because higher side the seller are on the market, and the bottom side buyer will try to defend their position here. So right now we it's a little difficult to understand the price movement. For this, the we can talk about on daytime frame to understand the price movement where market can move this week. But on daytime, on weekly time frame, market is little confusing, because it was a counter selling price at the first pullback, and as we know on the price action, it was always should be for the selling. So let the market decide what he wants to do. If you are a buyer, wait for your days. This is the not right, actually not right moment time to buy in the market, because on Friday market has gap up already 10 to 12%. I think 10 to 12% market has opened up a gap up without doing anything. So I think after opening 5 to 6% was the decline, because of the profit booking, or might be something else, and still there's a gap was pending. So we will see on the daily time frame. So this week you need to you need to be wait to see the perfect price action, or is better if you wait for 1 week to understand the price momentum. Next week, if suppose market going to make this kind of bullish candle, believe me, in future it could be go on the high side, on very bullish momentum we will get in future. So be wait. Right now market is a little confusing stage, so let's jump into the data frame to understand the price movement, how we can make a plan to take a trade. So this is the right example. uh, Market directly open 10 to 15% here. So if you ask me what is the reason behind to make red candle here, so suppose you are the buyer, buy from here, even you are the buy from here, and uh, you are holding the market for expecting the upside momentum after seeing continuously going on the higher side. So suppose you saw in the morning that market directly opening the gap at 10 to 15 10 to 12% gap up, and you see that the target you have made, you already get more than that. It is for them, the person who bought from here definitely is going to be more than 1 is to 3, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3, at least minimum 1 is to 3 to 1 is to 4 they are getting. So what they could do, what we could do, the first thing, the moment market try to go on the lower side, they're the first person who's going to book the profit. So the way they're the moment everyone going to book the profit, the market will be on the moment time on the selling, or seller will be on the market the first time. And this is the reason market make this kind of red candle. This is the price, so you need to understand the price. So if I draw the line here, this is the counter selling pressure, there's the first pullback. Right now market is going to decide where he wants to go, but to be honest, if I show you another example by showing the indicator, it is just a moving average, 10 moving average. It's not compulsory, but you can do 10, 15, 20, whatever you like to do. Right now the average price is saying 89, market can fall down. 89 going to be the average price. Market now overextend here, so it need to return to the mean, it need to come down, return to the mean. So right now he is sustaining 90, 97 price. So as we see, the average price will going to be 89. So definitely we could expect after opening the flat for Monday, we could see a selling pressure again. So after reaching this level, market will going to decide. But then the price will become confirmed. It was a selling pressure, is the first pullback. Then after seeing the resistance level, no doubt you need to remember, these are the seller 104 and $100. This is the range going to be very strong resistance for the market. So you cannot expect that market will continue to go on the high side without uh, making any time spent or making any price action. Market will always give you the time. If you are buyer, market will always enough give you the time to buy in the market. But you need to wait right now, because market right now completely on a deciding moment. After filling the gap, market is going to decide. And $88 going to be the buy range, 88, 84, this is going to be the buy range again. These are the zone are going to be buy range again. And on Friday or Thursday, the earning price is going to announce the Alibaba stock. So then going to be decide if if it is positive news, that market will take a new high from here, that everyone we could see that market is going on upside, and the potential maybe it will go on the highest in future. But again, if the earning report did not hit, if the earning report did not meet what they are expecting, then we could see another downfall again. The prices are going to be a lower low again. So I hope you understand all of my point. Again, I'm saying if you are buyer, and if you want to buy in the market, wait for 1 week, because the way market is moving right now, after making a 10 to 15% gap up without doing anything, it's little confusing for everyone. If you are buyer, of course buyer will not going to touch here, because you need to understand those are the buyer who buy from here, from the bottom, they already out of the market, they already booked their profit. And this is the first time what the seller is getting the perfect place to put their SL. 104 $100, this is going to be the perfect SL for them. They're going to put the SL, and when the market try to go on the lower side, they will be very confident that yeah, they are going to be confirmed that yeah, market can go on the downside again. And as we saw, after, by putting the the moving average saying that 89 or 88 going to be mean level for the market. Market is now overextended, so you need to be wait. If you are seller, well, you can go and short the market, but do make sure you are going to book a profit nearly 88 to 87. This is going to be a deciding range for the market. And after reaching this range, the most important things are going to be impact the news, what earning report are saying for the market. So I hope you understand all of my point, friends. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you learn something without costing anything, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And for sure in future, if you are interested to trade every day, I will provide every day analysis video for specific Alibaba stock, including Nasdaq 100 that we always used to do, and we can include Alibaba stock also for daily movement. So let's see where how market can move. We will plan like this. So I hope you enjoy the video, friends. I will see you in the next video again. Thank you very much.